Well, howdy everybody. Welcome to the show and to a bucket list hunt for me. I think it's going to be a bucket list hunt for anybody, really, to be honest with you. We are up west of Fort Worth, Texas, with a guy by the name of Gary Olson.
Right there, straight ahead.
Bring it in.
Okay, here he is. I'm on him.
Oh, almost made it to the road, but
3 up, 3 down. Isn't that the way you do it?
We provide the guns and the ammo here, and a lot of it's because a lot of our clients fly in to the major airports, and today with the way it is at airports, it just gets to be a hassle taking guns and ammo. But today Keith brought his own gun, and it is sure sweet.
As far as guns go, I brought a PDW 300 Blackout. This is a pistol by Daniel Defense. It's pretty cool, huh? And then of course I got Daniel Defense's B9 right here. But when you wind up doing what we're doing on today's program, you're going to shoot 1,000 rounds of ammunition. I mean, you just could. And so I'm going to show you how we wind up loading these up real quick. And then watch this. Once you get it loaded up, now you got a full magazine right there. So I've got 2 different kinds of ammo up here. Of course, I've got the Game Changer, and the Game Changer is lethal. I mean, it's unbelievable. But the Prairie Enemy is what I really want to try out on this hunt. The Prairie Enemy, we've used at prairie dog shooting, and I mean, it blows prairie dogs into smithereens. Hell yeah! That was great! Nice! Ooh! Splatter! So we're going to find out how it does on coyotes and feral hogs on today's show.
Do it, do it. Oh, nice dog. Stay. Now I'm telling you, sit and stay.
do it. Rolled him. All right.
The one in the lead.
Yeah, take him. That was a good shot. Got that one. Up to the next one. Yep. Down the line. Got him.
I'm out. God, stop it.
Hold up. When you're ready.
Oh yeah.
Rolled him, baby. Rolled him. That's the way to do it right there.
Everywhere I go, I know that the Lucas products are going to keep my firearms working tip-top shape. So after you shoot as much as we have this morning, I mean, you get all kinds of carbon on you and in your rifle, something terrible. Take a close look at that. That bolt carrier group is dirty. It's always a good idea to take a break and just do a quick cleanup with the Lucas CLP. That's all I wind up doing. I want to show this to you. You wipe it down, and like I said, whenever you're using a suppressor, you just get excessive carbon and your gun gets just dirty. Clean it up with some CLP and get back to work.
I'm going to try the PDW by Daniel Defense. This is a pistol. A pistol. We're going to see if it works.
I'm on him, Keith. He rumbled.
Got him. That's a 300 Blackout right there. Pretty sweet, don't you think?
So it's really important to have a gun that cycles properly and that is accurate. But when you're up in the air, and I'm shooting an MSR, I'm going to use a red dot sight. I want to use a Sightmark red dot sight. And the reason why Sightmark, it's an American company, okay? They have a lifetime warranty. they stand behind their products. And for sight acquisition, I like using the red dot sight because I like shooting with both eyes open. And once I figure out how to aim, in other words, what is the lead, how should I lead, if any, okay, I duplicate that over and over again. So that sight mark, red dot sight, is absolutely critical for making good shots from the air.
There we go.
There we go. The hard thing about coyotes is that they they change directions. Pigs normally just go the same way. Coyotes go every which way, and so they are hard to hit, and they're not a very big target.
One second, not yet, not yet.
There. Okay, I'm on him. There, one shot. Oh! That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, go ahead, take him.
Nice! That's the way we do things. Roll that booger. How many coyotes is that, Gary?
About 12.
It's a bunch of coyotes and not a lot of time.
Take him.
Like that?
You down? Oh yeah.
I dumped him. I literally dumped him in the water.
Okay, there you go.
I'm on him. Woo, baby! Okay. Yeah, so that was pretty cool right there. I think we're going to land, and we're going to show you what this Game Changer ammo does, folks. So far, so good, fellas.
Very good.
All right, so this is one of the many coyotes we've killed so far. You can see their fur is just absolutely beautiful, and I want to tell you about the equipment that we're using. This is a Daniel Defense 223. It's a V9, and it is a tack driving rifle. Of course, I've got it geared out with the Timber Creek gear. This color is battle worn red. You'll see I've got the hand guard and the grip and the ambi safety and the little mag release. But the cool thing about this, look at this oversized charging handle, and that really comes in handy when it's cold, you're wearing gloves. And so you may be thinking, what kind of ammo? Well, it's a new ammo. It's called Game Changer, and it really is a game changer for me and for anybody whether you're a varmint hunter or whether you're a big game hunter. The Game Changer ammunition by Sierra packs a powerful punch. Now, Sierra's been making projectiles for every major ammo manufacturer for decades, and now they're making their own ammunition from one end to the other. So if you want a game changer in your hunting world, change to Game Changer by Sierra.
Our job is to kill coyotes and feral pigs, and very, very seldom we do pick them up. And the reason for it is they're scattered.
This pig was under the water there, just on the edge of the water there. He smelt me and he ran straight out and up the bloody bank, and I shot and he rolled all the way down here. And only freaking a minute ago I shot that one over there. Good thing I didn't miss this sucker. He's a nice boar. Nice boar. Fuck. Let's go get another one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He was on to me. He was on to me straight away, that bugger. But he couldn't smell me. Nice boar. Look at that shot through him, fuck. He's nice tusks. Another tusky boar. Had to get in a bit closer with the shotgun. Good shit.